you think you are with your money. Our next guest
Yummy!
costly financial blunders without even knowing it. Here with tips to avoid those mistakes, Chris Lippman, personal finance expert.
Ce pupați acolo, bun? Șupiță?
Sup, tata, spune sup.
E bună supa?
Americans
Sup, așa îi spui în engleză?
Hai, încă, încă.
they don't seem to be changing their ways. They ignore their credit scores. Why is it so foolish to ignore your credit score? Big mistake, especially now because these days in this environment you need the best rate
Yummy?
to get any kind of loan. Obviously, if you
Yummy?
say thousands so low, could cost you thousands of dollars, you might not even be able to.
Trebuie să mai puneți atunci dacă mâncați amândoi un castronel.
An increasingly large proportion of employers are now looking at this number, so it's really an important one. All right, so what's the best way to improve your credit score? Well, pay your bills on time. Your payment history is 35% of your score, so that's a huge part of it. Pare down your debt as much as possible. Don't max out the credit cards, right? That's a big one. Ideally, you want to use less than 10% of your available credit. Also, but isn't it also
L-ai hrănit pe tata, mami?
sometimes detrimental to yours? Yes, as is
Și tata te hrănește pe tine?
haphazardly. It looks like you're going to go out on a big buying binge. Obviously, there's a risk in the country or something like that. So we all know the
Hai, încă, ia, mâncă repede acolo.
country. And you say that many of us are actually missing out on some big
Sure,
tax
Michael.
breaks that can make a big difference. So tell us what we need to know. Well, if you're using a tax software program,
Yummy! Bravo! Ce frumos păpați voi doi.
the tax code is very convoluted, it's complicated. People who are doing their taxes on their own, they're stressed out, they miss these valuable tax breaks.
Păi și tu, mama, și tu.
Tax credit, that's worth up to nearly 6
Așa, bagă și la tine. Bravo, mami.
for low to middle income earners. So you don't want to leave that money on the table. And then another one that's missed is the
Ce are, mami, supița aia prin ea?
designed for working parents, and that is
Ce e aia albă?
35% of your child care.
Uite aia ce-ți dă tata în guriță. Ce e aia, mami? Ce e aia?
Leave this money on the table.
Spune la conopidă.
Another thing, another costly
Conopidă?
you say
Conopidă!
Bravo! Scoate-l în guriță, mami.
businesses, we earn them, so we should be redeeming them, right? Yeah. It's amazing. You know, we earn an astounding $48 billion with a B. With a B.
Bravo.
In rewards and points, and